In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently mark a task as completed in your project management tool. This simple process ensures that you keep track of your team's progress and maintain a smooth workflow. We'll walk through these steps together, and by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at updating task statuses in no time. Let's get started by navigating to your project. On your home screen, you'll see a list of all your current projects, providing an overview of everything you're working on. Click on the specific project where your task is located. This will take you to that project's main dashboard, showing you all the details and activities related to it, giving you the context you need for your tasks. Next, we're heading over to the To-Dos section. Within your project dashboard, find and click on the To-Dos tab. This area is crucial as it lists all the tasks, allowing you to manage your workload effectively. Scroll through and locate the specific list that contains the task you need to update. It's important to have a good system for organizing these lists, so try to maintain clear and distinct categories for different types of tasks. This not only helps you find tasks quickly, but also aids in prioritizing work. Once you've opened the list and found the task in question, it's time to mark it as complete. Look for the checkbox adjacent to the to-do's name. Clicking this box is a straightforward action, but it's a powerful one. As soon as you check this box, the task will instantly move to the completed area situated at the bottom of your list. This visual shift provides a sense of accomplishment and instantly updates your project's status. Additionally, marking a task as complete triggers notifications for everyone associated with that task. If people are assigned or subscribed to this task, they'll receive a notification alerting them that it's done. This automatic update is a great way to ensure everyone is on the same page and that no tasks slip through the cracks. It also fosters clear communication and enhances collaboration within your team, especially in projects where multiple members are involved. And that's it. We've successfully navigated through the process of completing a task in the project management tool. By following these steps, you streamline your workflow, keep everyone informed, and maintain an organized system. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video, where we'll explore more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity.